Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we will discuss exercise number 4.3. So in exercise number 4.3 all the questions will discuss on the base of the special formula that is called quadratic formula, and this quadratic formula is what? X equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So using this formula we will discuss entire questions of this exercise, and this formula is also called Acharya formula. So let us start with the question number 1. The question number 1 is that find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. So real root exists means what? So this portion is called discriminant, and depend upon this discriminant we have to determine that the nature of the roots. If b square minus 4ac, and you can write it d means what? Discriminant. And if d equals to b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we can say there exists two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. And if b square minus 4ac means d less than 0, so no real root exists. Okay, and if d equals to 0, d means what? B square minus 4ac equals to 0, we can say two equal real root. Two equal real roots. So in this question number 1 we have to find the nature of the roots. So depending upon this theory, and if the real root is exist, we have to find out the roots of this quadratic equation. So let us solve the question number 1. So for the question number 1 we have to find out the value of a, b and c. Okay, so how can we find out the value of a, b, c? We compare with the standard form of a quadratic equation, that is x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So if I compare this quadratic equation with this equation, we can find a equals to 2, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to what? 5. So now we have to find out the discriminant to find out the nature of the roots. So discriminant d equals to what? 0. D means what? D, you have to find d greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. You cannot write equals to 0. So b square minus 4ac. So value of b is what? Minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2, and c means 5. So minus 3 whole square means 9. 9 minus 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40. So 9 minus 40 means minus 31, and that is less than 0. Minus 31 is less than 0. Means this quadratic equation has no real roots. No real roots. So if there is no real root, so we don't have to find any roots of this quadratic equation. Let us question number 2. So this is question number 2. So we have to find a. A means what? If I compare with this equation, a means 3 and b equals to what? Minus 4 root 3, and c means what? 4. C equals to what? 4. So now we have to find discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b square means what? Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into value of a 3 and value of c is 4. So 4 root 3 square minus 4 square means 16 and 16 and root 3 square means 3. Minus 4 3 is 12 and 12 4 is 48. And 16 into 3 is what? 48. So 48 minus 40 equals to 0. So d equals to 0 means it has two equal roots. It has two equal roots. So if there is two real equal roots, so you have to find out its roots. So we have to apply the quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now replace the formula. So b, value of b is what? Minus 4 root 3 plus minus root over of b. B means what? Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a. A means what? 3 and c means what? 4 by 2. A value 3. So minus minus plus 4 root 3 plus minus, and you can directly put this minus 4 is value is 0, so you can write 0 here, and 4 2 3 is a 6. So 4 root 3, so we can plus by 6, and there is plus, we can write 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6 comma 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. So means there is 4 root 3 by 4, 6 and 4 root 3 by 6. If I cancel this one, we can get 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. And if I rationalize this, we can get 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 are the two roots of this quadratic equation, second quadratic equation. Now question number 3, we have to find out value of a. Value of a is what? 2. Value of b is what? Minus 6. Value of c, value of a 2, value of b minus 6, and value of c is what? 3. So now we have to find discriminant d equals to b square minus 4ac. So value of b is minus 6 whole square and 4 into value of a 2 and value of c 3. So minus 6 square means 36 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 is 24. So we will get 12. So 12 is greater than 0, means this quadratic equation has two distinct real root. It has two distinct real roots. Am I clear? So since there is two distinct real root, we have to find out the roots of this quadratic equation. So let us apply this quadratic formula. X equals to minus plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So value of b is what? Minus 6, and plus minus we can directly put the b square minus 4ac's value is 12 divided by 2 into a means 2. So minus 6 minus plus 6 plus minus root over of 12. So you can factorize this one. So 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. So this is pair. So you can write 2 root 3 divided by 2 2 is 4. So from this we can take 2 as common. So 2 3 is and plus minus root over of 3 by 4. This will be cancelled. We will get 3 plus minus root 3 by 2. So the value of x is what? 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the two roots of this quadratic equation, that is third quadratic equation. Let us discuss question number 2 of exercise 4.3. So question is that find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So we discussed about what is discriminant and what is the quadratic formula, and that is also called Siddharacharya formula. So discriminant is what? D equals to b square minus 4ac. So if b square minus 4ac, d greater than 0, so we can if d greater than 0, there is two distinct real root, and d less than 0, so there is no real root, and d equal to 0 means there is two equal roots. So here they have two equal roots, means this quadratic equation have two equal real roots, means already it is said that d equals to 0, means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So we have to apply this formula b square minus 4ac equals to 0, because condition is given here that the quadratic equation have two equal roots. That's why we have to put this value of a b c in this equation, and we have to find the value of k. Let us discuss question number 1. So comparing with the standard form of quadratic equation, we have to find out the value of A. So for this equation, value of A is 2 and value of A is what, K, and value of C is what, 3. So now we have to find the discriminant equals to 0. D equals to 0 because they have equal root. So D means what? B square minus 4AC equals to 0. So value of B is what? Value of B is K. So K square minus 4 into A means 2 and C means 3 equals to 0. So K square minus 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24. 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24 equals to 0. So K equals to 24. K square equals to. So K equals to what? Plus minus root over of 24. And if I evaluate this one by factorization, 2 1 that 2 is 12 and 2 6 that 12 and 2 3 is 12. So this is one pair. So you can write 2 root over of 6 plus minus 2 root 6 is the value of K. Now for the question number 2, we have to find out the value of A, B, C. But here this quadratic equation is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. That's why we have to find out this form. Then we can find out the value of b and a, b, c. So kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So kx into multiply this one, kx into kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equals to 0. Now we can find out the value of A. Value of A is what? K. And value of B is what? Minus 2k. And value of C is what? 6. Okay. So now we have to find out the discriminant D equals to 0. The value of D is B square minus 4AC equals to 0. So B value of B is what? Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into A into C 6 equals to 0. So minus 2k whole square means what? 4k square minus 4 6 is 24k equals to 0. So from this case we can take common 4 and so we get k square minus 6 equals to 0. So and we can take also k also common. So 4k into k minus 6 equals to 0. So now we can make it individual 0. So 4k equals to 0 means k equals to 0 or k minus 6 equals to 0. K minus 6 equals to 0 means k equals to 6. So value of k is what? 0, comma 6. These are the value of k here. So we discussed question number 1 and 2 in this video. The next session we will discuss the remaining portion of question exercise 4.3. Thank you for watching this video.